That one picture Tony sent to Craig, it's got the tire marks right in front of his parking spot.
Don't hit us.
What the? ID 食到佢早2日。想話留啲俾啊。
Oh my God! Wow. Come on, buddy. What are you doing here? लगी नहीं बच गए
There lies a long shadow.
But like the things you think when you are afraid are not made more true by your fear during the situation. And of course, my example always for this is 35-year-old white woman who
нахуй.
Ой, сука, все.
Пидоры, блядь. Блядь. Как это он так?
Любимая, нам не позволят уже.
Ух ты!
И предназначена для передачи.
Оу!
Что это?
Ах ты, блядь, сука!
Ты шо это? Лезь сам.
And they saw something weird. They were walking toward Glenelg. So are you no money for cat food and stuff? Oh, right.
Damn! Whoa!
Oh, there's an accident. Just they changed lanes.
Oh, whoa!
Oh my god.
Oh my.
Mormon church hurting on the big money for those boys.
Are you okay?
I just got in a wreck.
What happened? Oh my
I
god.
think that this is the city that they're building.
When are they going to open it?
Your destination is on the right.
Was this plugged in?
Yeah.
Thank God. Oh my. Holy sh. Holy. I have the footage of it.
Pull over. If you can.
Do you ever? I'm trying to keep that one low because it affects my credit score. It does, but also you just don't pay interest, right? If you're not taking advantage of anything. Yeah, of course not. Well, here's the balances. Yeah, savings $5.
Oh my God.
Okay.
God.
Apparently, I did hear it because about a third of the video has been viewed. So you've absolutely, let me tell you this, you've absolutely, because they had this weird like meme moment. I don't remember exactly when. It might have been like 2010 or fucking.
Good, dude. Keep your sandwich. It's a thought that counts. A long ride home. It's a thought that counts, dude. Green light. Drive, Aaron. Just drive, bro. You don't have to make it any over exaggerated.
Great time not being at work for 2 weeks. What the?
A tree suddenly fell on a taxi in Lviv on November 30th at 15:56. The driver in the car was only slightly injured after the incident. Collision during the morning commute in Waukesha. Why on January 3rd, 2024. The Buick driver was safe. A collision occurred at the intersection of Mira and Pobeda Avenues on March 12, 2024. There were no human injuries. An incident at the Vishnikovo intersection on October 23rd caused traffic congestion for several hours. The incident on March 13th, 2024, in New York. Fortunately, it was a minor collision and everyone was fine. A rollover collision occurred in Clearwater, Florida on April 18th. Everyone was healthy. The front bumper of the white Volkswagen was damaged, leading to the incident on April 25th in the USA. A road collision in St. Petersburg on May 26th. Miraculously, the people in the car were unharmed. A head-on collision on Interstate 40 West on February 27th. Hope everyone is okay.
So hopefully Axel didn't wear out his voice there.
Yeah, you're really
I
worried
want to
about
bubble wrap that shit.
You are very worried about Axel's voice.
I'm very concerned.
Yeah. Anyway, just wrapped up our...
The driver was not seriously injured. The dashcam recorded an incident involving a white Chevy HHR losing control in the UK on June 24th. A collision in Russia on January 2nd. There were no serious injuries after the incident. The incident occurred at Kanevskaya station on May 31st. The airbag deployed, keeping the driver safe.
What the?
Collision at the intersection in Carrollton, TX on April 17th, 2024. Everyone was safe after the incident of running a red light. The incident on March 18th, 2024, in the USA was captured by a dash cam. No injuries were reported. collision on the northbound Capitol Freeway in San Jose, California on April 10th, 2024. Speed control when taking a curve is crucial. The incident on April 20th, 2024 on the Turnpike. The incident occurred in the USA on November 9th. No injuries were reported after the incident. A tanker truck suddenly exploded while stopped at a red light in Russia on August 9th. Checking the vehicle before driving is essential.
I got that on fucking
Current
camera.
loop video is now locked.
Car collision on 7th Street reverse lane on April 30th, 2024. Everyone was safe. A drunk driver lost control of the speed, leading to the incident on May 22nd in Boynton Beach, Florida. A multi-vehicle collision on the highway in the USA on February 21st. Hopefully everyone is okay. On September 25th at 8, a collision occurred on the Chelyabinsk Highway, wishing everyone safety. Security camera captured a crash involving a garbage truck and a train in Mesa. Don't worry, everyone is safe after the collision. The incident occurred on May 8th, 2024, at an intersection in the USA. There were no human or property damages. Maintaining distance while driving is necessary. Collision in Nekrasov on April 25th.